friends, in this video we will be discussing on how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. And for this to be done, we have to reduce the 3 by 3 matrix into respective 2 by 2 matrix and find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. To do that, we'll perform our operations on the elements in the first row. Now for the first element, or for each element, we are going to cycle out the row and column in that element, then write down the uncycled. Now for the first element A11, you cycle out all its rows and column, the column and the row of A11. Now write down the uncycled element. So we're talking about A11, A22, A32, A23, A33. For the next element, take note of the sign, negative sign. We have A12. You cycle out its column and its row. And its row belongs to the first row. So you cycle out the first row. Now, you write down the uncycled. We did not cycle A21, we did not cycle A31, A23, and A33. For the last element, plus A13, cycle out its column and its row. So the uncycled is A21, A31, A22, A32. Now we look for the determinants of this 2 by 2 matrix. Now simplifying this, we have A11, open bracket, multiply these two entries, minus A32 multiply with A23 minus A12, multiply these two entries, A21 A33 minus A31 A23 A13. You have A21 multiplying A32 minus A31 multiplying A22. Now simplifying this, you get the answer. Let's take an example. Example 1, a matrix with the entries 3, 2, 1, 5, 0, negative 2, 3, 0, 4. The determinant of this matrix, now as we learned, is that A, positive, negative, positive. Now for the first row 3, you cycle out its row and column. We are left with 0, negative 2, 0, 4. For the second element, we have negative 2, cycle out its column, cycle out its row. We'll be having the uncycled element to be 5, 3, negative 2, 4. The last element, which is 1, cycle out its row and column. So for 1, we'll be having 5, 3, 0, 0. So looking for the determinant of this matrix, 3, open brackets, 4 times 0, you have 0, minus this times this, you have 0. So we get negative 2, open the bracket, 5 times 4, you have 20. 3 times negative 2, you have negative 6. You close the bracket. Now for this, 5 times 0, you have 0. 3 times 0, you have 0. So therefore this becomes 0 and this becomes minus 2. We have 20 plus 6 and this becomes 0. So therefore the determinant of this matrix is negative 2 times 26, which definitely is negative 52. Thanks for watching.